Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about nitrogen. Now let's begin. This is me, Dr. Anuradha Pathak. Now the form in which nitrogen is absorbed. Yeah. So plants absorb nitrogen mostly as nitrate from the soil, NO3 minus, and some amount is absorbed in the form of nitrite, that is NO2 minus, and NH4 plus, that is ammonium ions. Now it is an essential element which is required by plants in the greatest amount. This is important because it's from NCERT. And where it's present means it is the constituent of which things? You know that nitrogen is present in amino acids. In biomolecules, we study that amino acids have a group called amino group, NH2. Yeah. So N is there, that is nitrogen is there. And if amino acids has nitrogen, then proteins also have, because proteins are the chains of amino acids. Second thing, nucleic acids. You know that nitrogenous base has nitrogen, and nitrogenous base is present in nucleic acids, that is RNA and DNA. Now, some vitamins have this, and chlorophyll have this, and plant hormones. Now, we can remember the code as a mnemonic is there, means nitro, we are going to take it as night. So in night, eat proteins and vitamins and then study harmonium. So you can just study the RNA and DNA of harmonium. You can get its different colors, means different musics and all now. So in night, after eating your diet, and in the diet you have to take proteins and vitamins. Yeah. So in night, eat protein and vitamins. Then study RNA and DNA of harmonium. RNA, DNA means nucleic acid, protein means protein. Yeah, vitamins. Night is nitrogen, nitrogen. Harmonium is not harmonium, it's plant hormones. And different colors means actually chlorophyll. Yeah, now it is required by all parts of the plant, but specially meristematic tissues and metabolically active cells. Means the cells in which lot of reactions is going on, that is metabolically active, and meristematic tissue means in which cell division is going on at a great rate. Now, in these two tissues, right? So, we can remember the mnemonic NEET, that is night. Nitrogen is night. Night of Mary is metabolically active, because Mary is a very hard working girl. She is studying a lot, right? So night of Mary is metabolically active. Mary means meristem, metabolically active, you know. Now, what are the deficiency symptoms? First thing is chlorosis, and that's too first in old leaves, because nitrogen is highly mobile. Whenever it's deficient in young leaves, it will move from the old leaves to the young. This happens with all mobile elements, right? Which are highly mobile, they from the old parts, they will go to the young parts, right? So, chlorosis first in older leaves, because nitrogen is highly mobile. And what is chlorosis? Becoming yellow due to loss of chlorophyll. And you know that nitrogen is there in the chlorophyll. Yeah. Now, anthocyanin formation in stem, petiole and leaf, right? What is anthocyanin? It is a purple reddish, dark colored pigment. It is formed in the stem, leaf and petioles. You know what is petiole? Stalk of a leaf. Then this leaf blade, beautiful leaf blade, and in the stems, right? A purple dark reddish pigment is deposited, that is anthocyanin. Stunted growth means small, the growth has stopped, right? It is means the rate decreases, stunted growth, because the growth will be by the activity of meristem, and meristem needs nitrogen, right? If nitrogen is deficient, then small height. Late flowering, flowering will also be late, right? So we can remember a mnemonic here. Old color, chlorosis first in, color is for chlorosis here, right? Color, older leaves, so old color. Ant, right? Ant for anthocyanin. Stunts, late for flower. Stunts, late for flower. See, in the night, there is a yellow ant. You can make a story. In the night, right? Night is for nitrogen. In the night, there is an ant which is showing stunts, right? And late in the night to get the flowers, right? And that ant is very old and old and colored ant. So in night, old color ant stunts late for flower. Yeah. In night, night means nitrogen, old color ant stunts late for flower. Now, you can see this diagram here. Can you see this reddish pigment here? Right, reddish purplish pigment here. This is anthocyanin. Can you see the yellowing here in the leaves? This is chlorosis and these are the older leaves. Right? So in the older leaves, it's happening. This is a cabbage plant. Right? Okay. Anthocyanin is formed, the growth is small, stunted, flowering is late in plants, and chlorosis in old leaves. Thanks for coming. Okay, have a great day. Bye everyone.